Hello, everybody. I want to thank your hosts, the Government of Sweden and the International Center for Not-for-Profit Law. And I want to thank all of you gathered in Stockholm for the courageous work you do every day to defend freedom and human rights around the world. Throughout history, progress has been propelled by citizens coming together to insist that a better life is possible. Yet, in too many countries today, fundamental freedoms, like freedom of association and freedom of speech, are under attack. So your work in this forum is more important than ever. The United States is proud to be your partner. As part of our Stand with Civil Society initiative, we're joining with countries and people around the world to stand with citizens and push back on attempts to silence your voices. I've made it a mission across the U.S. government to partner with and protect civil society groups like yours. We're empowering groups with the knowledge, technology, and funding to put their ideas into action, working with the community of democracies to fight against laws and regulations that restrict civil society, and increasing our emergency assistance to embattled NGOs. We do these things because we know that countries are more likely to succeed when all their people, including minorities, are free to live and pray and love as they choose, and when everyone's rights are protected equally, including women and girls. Conversely, when rights are suppressed, it fuels grievances that can drive instability or extremism. So empowering civil society isn't just in our moral interests, it's in our national security interests. In other words, strong, successful countries need strong, vibrant civil societies. So thank you again for your commitment, your conviction, and your courage. As you work for the change you seek, the United States of America will continue to be your partner, and we are proud to stand with you.